You know the difference between a truck that dies at 200,000 miles and one still running strong at 500,000? It's not luck. It's not the brand. It's habits. I've met guys running Peterbilts with over 1 million miles on the original engine. Kenworths from the 90s that look showroom fresh. Owner-operators who've never had a major breakdown in 20 years. What do they all have in common? They follow the same core principles. The same maintenance routines that keep their trucks alive long after everyone else's are scrapped. Today, I'm breaking down all 13 habits. The exact steps that separate the guys spending half their income on repairs from the ones whose trucks just keep running. Habit number 13, most drivers completely ignore it, and it's probably the most important one on this list. Habit number 1, walk around your truck every morning. Every single morning, walk around your entire truck. Actually, look. Check tires for cuts, bulges, low pressure. Check all lights. Look for leaks. Underneath, oil, coolant, fuel. Check airline connections. Inspect your fifth wheel. I know a driver who found a cracked frame rail during his morning walk-around. Fixed it before it became catastrophic. That 15-minute inspection saved him $40,000 and possibly his life. Morning walk-arounds are non-negotiable. Every day, no exceptions. Habit number 2, change oil before the interval. If your oil change interval is 25,000 miles, change it at 23,000 tours. Service intervals assume ideal conditions, but you're hauling 80,000 pounds over mountains in extreme heat. When oil breaks down, viscosity drops, contaminants build up, additives deplete. Your engine wears faster. A fleet mechanic showed me 2 Cummins ISX engines. Same age, similar miles. One changed oil at 20,000 miles religiously, clean, still running at 600,000 miles. The other pushed to 30,000 to save money. Sludge everywhere, junk at 350,000 miles. Engine oil costs $250. A new engine costs $25,000. Change your oil early. Use quality synthetic. Use OEM filters. Habit number 3, monitor coolant temperature. Obsessively know your truck's normal operating temperature. Watch that gauge. If it climbs past baseline, something's wrong. Could be low coolant, bad thermostat, clogged radiator, failing water pump. Doesn't matter what. Pull over now. Because an overheated diesel means blown head gasket, $4,000. Warped cylinder head, $10,000. Or cracked block, engine's toast, $25,000. One driver noticed his temp climbing in Nevada summer. Pulled over. Radiator was plugged with bugs. Cleaned it out in 20 minutes. If he'd ignored it, overheated engine in 30 miles. Middle of nowhere. Watch your coolant temp, always. Habit number 4. Use engine brakes, not service brakes. Engine brakes use the engine to slow you down. No friction, no heat, no wear. Service brakes create massive heat. 800 degfeuert, even a 1000 Watt on downgrades. That causes brake fade, glazed pads, warped rotors, damaged wheel bearings. A truck using engine brakes properly. 500,000 miles on original brake pads. A truck riding service brakes new pads every 100,000 miles. One brake job costs $3,000. Over the truck's life, that's $30,000 in unnecessary maintenance. Plus, you're safer. Engine brakes give consistent slowing power. Your service brakes stay fresh for emergencies. Use your engine brake. Every hill, every time. Habit number 5. Keep your air system dry. Water in your air system causes frozen airlines in winter, corrosion inside tanks, inconsistent brakes, premature valve wear. The fix? Drain your air tanks every single day. Takes 30 seconds per tank. Replace your air dryer cartridge on schedule. A mechanic showed me an air tank never drained in 400,000 miles. Looked like the bottom of a lake. Rust, sludge, corroded metal. Destroyed 3 brake valves, $5,000 in repairs. All preventable with 60 seconds of daily maintenance. Drain your tanks. Keep your air system dry. Habit number 6. Don't idle excessively. Excessive idling, 10, 12 hours at a time, creates incomplete combustion, oil dilution, carbon buildup, glazed cylinder walls. Modern diesels are designed to run under load, not idle at 600 RPM for hours. Solution? Install an APU, auxiliary power unit. Provides heat, AC, electrical power without running the main engine. One owner-operator installed an APU, cut idle time from 12 hours to under 2. After 5 years, half the soot buildup, 60% fewer DPF regions, $8,000 year fuel savings. APU cost $10,000, paid for itself in 15 months. Minimize idle time. Your engine lasts longer. Fuel bill drops. Emission system thanks you. Habit number 7. Grease everything on schedule. Your truck has grease points everywhere. Fifth wheel, slider pins, U-joints, kingpins, spring shackles, steering linkage. Skip greasing? Fifth wheel seizes, U-joints fail, $1,500 repair. Kingpins wear out, slider pins freeze. A tube of grease costs $15. A grease gun costs $50. Time to grease your truck? 20 minutes every 2 weeks. A fleet manager ran an experiment. Half his trucks greased every 5,000 miles. The other half? Only when drivers remembered. After 300,000 miles, greased trucks had 0 U-joint failures. The others, over 40%, had at least 1 failure. Grease your truck. On schedule. No excuses. Habit number 8. Run quality fuel and use additives. Cheap fuel contains high sulfur, water contamination, sediment, inconsistent cetane. Causes corrosion, clogs injectors, poor combustion. Always fuel at name brands. Shell, Chevron, Love's Pilot Flying J. Costs 5 to 10 cents more per gallon, maybe $600 years. But one set of clogged injectors, $5,000 to replace. Also use fuel additives. They provide cetane boost, lubricity, water dispersants, detergents. I run additives every tank. Costs $15 to $20 per fill. My injectors have 450,000 miles and still test like new. Compare that to guys who skip additives and need $5,000 injector jobs at 200,000 miles. Run quality fuel, use additives. Habit number 9, replace filters. Early filters are cheap. The components they protect are expensive. Oil filters, fuel filters, air filters, all keep contaminants out of critical systems. When they clog, contaminants bypass and cause damage. Replace filters at 75–80% of service interval. Don't wait until they're completely clogged. A $50 fuel filter protects a $5,000 set of injectors. A $30 oil filter protects a $25,000 engine. One driver pushed his fuel filters to save money. Clogged filter caused low fuel pressure. Starved his injectors, $6,500 repair. Replace filters early. Always use OEM quality. Habit number 10. Watch your tire pressure. Daily underinflated tires cause excessive heat, irregular wear, blowouts, poor fuel economy. Check tire pressure every morning, all 18 tires or however many your rig has. Keep a quality gauge in your truck. Underinflated by just 10 psi? That tire runs 20 km hotter, wears 25% faster, and you lose about 1% fuel economy per psi under. A blowout can cost you new tire, $400, damaged fender, $1,000. Downtime, maybe an accident. Proper inflation, tires last their full life. Better fuel economy, safer handling. I know a driver who religiously checks pressure every morning, gets 250,000 miles per set of steer tires. Industry average? $150,000. Check your tire pressure. Daily. Habit number 11. Don't overload or overwork. Your truck running overweight constantly stresses everything: frame, suspension, brakes, transmission, drivetrain. Know your truck's limits. Respect them. Overloading causes cracked frames, blown airbags, premature brake wear, transmission overheating, differential damage. One driver ran 10,000 pounds over GVW regularly to maximize profit. At 280,000 miles, his frame cracked. Truck was totaled, lost everything. Another driver stayed legal. Same truck model, same routes. 650,000 miles, still running. Don't overload, don't overspeed, don't push your truck beyond its design limits. Treat it right, it'll last forever. Habit number 12, keep detailed. Maintenance records. Every oil change, every repair, every filter replacement. Write it down. Date, mileage, what was done, what parts were used. Why? Because patterns emerge. You'll notice if something's failing early. You'll catch warranty issues. You'll have proof of maintenance for resale. Plus, detailed records let you plan. You know when the next service is due. You can budget. No surprises. I met an owner-operator who kept a binder with every receipt and service record for 15 years. When he sold his truck at 800,000 miles, the buyer paid $15,000 more because of those records. Proof the truck was maintained right. Keep records. It's free insurance. Habit number 13. Listen to your truck. This is the big one, the habit most drivers ignore. Your truck talks to you every day through sounds, smells, vibrations, gauges. A new noise? Investigate it. A strange smell? Find the source. A vibration that wasn't there yesterday? Figure out why. Don't ignore warning signs hoping they'll go away. They won't. They'll get worse and expensive. I've seen it 1,000 times. Driver hears a slight knock in the engine, ignores it. It's probably nothing. 2 weeks later, catastrophic bearing failure. Engine destroyed. Driver smells burning oil. I'll check it later. Turbo seal fails. Oil leaks into exhaust. Fire damage, $30,000. Driver feels a vibration in the steering. It's fine. Wheel bearing disintegrates. Wheel comes off. Accident. Totaled truck. All preventable. If they just listened. The best mechanics I know don't have fancy equipment. They have ears, they have noses, they pay attention. One driver I know heard a faint squeal from his alternator belt. Barely noticeable. He pulled over immediately. Belt was fraying. Another 50 miles and it would have snapped. No charging system. Dead batteries. Stranded. He replaced the belt for $40 at the next truck stop. Took 20 minutes. If he'd ignored it, tow truck, missed delivery, lost income, expensive roadside repair. Easily. $2,000. Listen to your truck. When it tells you something's wrong, believe it. Investigate immediately, because the trucks that last 500,000 miles, 750,000 miles, 1,000,000 miles, they're driven by people who pay attention, who care, who treat their truck like the partner it is. Walk around your truck. Change oil early. Watch your gauges. Use engine brakes. Keep air dry. Don't idle. Grease everything. Run good fuel. Replace filters. Check tire pressure. Don't overload. Keep records. And listen, do these things and your truck will reward you. Not with flashy performance or Instagram-worthy chrome, but with something better. Reliability. Day after day, year after year, mile after mile. You'll pass trucks on the side of the road broken down. You'll watch other drivers empty their bank accounts on preventable repairs. And you'll keep rolling. Because your truck, it's not just surviving, it's thriving. Which of these habits do you already follow? Which ones have you been ignoring? Drop it in the comments. And if you've got a high mileage truck, tell us your secret. What's your #1 habit for keeping it alive? If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. We drop new trucking tips and legendary machine stories every week. Your truck's counting on you. Don't let it down. See you in the next one. Keep those wheels turning.